Students, I Abhishek Soni, Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapit, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Students, in the previous class we have learnt verbs, what are verbs, and the different examples of verbs. Today we are starting our class with prepositions. What are prepositions? Prepositions are the part of speech that show the relationship of a noun or pronoun. Means it's a prepositions are the part of speech which shows, like for example, if I have one noun and one adjective, then what is the difference? Means relation between the noun and adjective, relation between noun and another pronoun. So that relationship uh, representing word is called as preposition. For example, there is a painting on the wall. So here on. This on shows the relation between a noun with another noun. So here one noun is painting and other noun is wall. So these two nouns have some relationship. This relationship is expressed by a preposition, that is on. Now second example is Shilpa is very smart at her work. Here at. Now see, one noun is Shilpa and the other noun is her work. So work is an adjective. It's not a noun, it's an adjective. And Shilpa is a noun. So noun and adjective have some relation that is expressed by a preposition, that is at. Now prepositions are of three types: simple prepositions, compound prepositions, and phrasal prepositions. What are simple prepositions? Simple prepositions are actually those which are not formed or not produced by using another word, which are made by single word only, like at, by, for, into, from, of, on, up, upon, under, down, to, over, etc. So these simple prepositions are used to denote a place, time, etc. This kind of things is expressed by using simple prepositions. We normally say there is a pen on the table. So on, like this. Second, compound prepositions. Compound prepositions are those prepositions which are formed by adding a prefix. When we add a prefix means a particular word. Like for example, I take a or b. If I add b in front of hind, it will become behind. So b is a prefix. Prefix means it should be added. The word which is added first at the beginning is called prefix. So behind, beyond. When I add a, about, across, along, this. Okay. Now third type is phrase preposition. Phrasal prepositions are like in place of, in spite of, instead of. Whenever we say like instead of doing this, you should have done that verb. So instead of, etc. These are the phrasal verbs. Now students, we will learn the uses of these prepositions. At where we will use over, where we will use since, where we will use instead of, with the help of examples.